Hello everybody. This is Betty with TrueDoor Property Management, and today we are in the city of Orange. This is the community of Sycamore Lane, and we are taking a look at 2445 North Cameo Court. This is a spacious 5-bedroom, 4-bath home. You can see large driveway here, attached 2-car garage with lots of storage inside. Tiled entry here. Let's walk inside and take a look. So here we have the large formal living room. Downstairs we do have 1 bedroom. Nice large walk-in closet here. We have 1 full bath downstairs as well. Here's the door going to the garage. We have a large storage closet here under the stairs. This home actually includes a central vacuum, which that's part of that. So you'll see these connections throughout the home. You just plug them in and you can vacuum all throughout the house. Here we have the dining room, kitchen. We have a fireplace, some built-in storage here, stainless steel appliances, lots of storage cabinets. We've got a nice large walk-in pantry as well. Got the private backyard little patio area. We have some fruit trees here. There's a kumquat tree and a lime tree. Landscaping is included. So this is the backyard. Very cute there. And the remaining 4 bedrooms are upstairs. So let's go upstairs and take a look. The community has the cute little playground, as you saw in the beginning of the video as well. So lots of guest parking out there. This home does have 2 master bedrooms, so this is the larger of the 2. This one has a nice large ensuite bathroom as well. Got the shower, the separate soaking tub, water closet. Got 2 vanities and an oversized walk-in closet. Across the hall we have the 2nd master bedroom. This one has its private bathroom as well. Marble floors in the bathrooms. Down the hall here we have a large storage closet for linens or whatever you see fit. We've got the laundry room upstairs, so that's nice convenience. We've got 2 ample-sized bedrooms right across from each other, and they're connected through a Jack and Jill bathroom as well. So we'll look at this one first. Got the large walk-in closet here. view of street there. Here we have the Jack and Jill bathrooms. So we've got large oversized vanity and then a separate area with the tub and toilet. And then the second bedroom on this side of the Jack and Jill bathroom. Really nice ample sized bedrooms. And walk-in closet here. So there you have it. This is 2445 North Cameo Court in the city of Orange. If you are interested, please do go to our website, www.truedoorpm.com. There you can look at pictures up close, the 3D virtual tour, you see our application details, and feel free to ask any questions, okay? Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.